Today we're doing a test on the AT2040 Audio Technica with the Cloudlifter. I did an unboxing of the Cloudlifter, and I'm going to show you using this microphone with it and without it and the difference. I have in a Focusrite 2i2 for the interface. This is the third generation. I'm going to do a complete review. We're going to show you how it sounds with the Cloudlifter, and without the Cloudlifter. Okay guys, right now I am talking to you on the AT2040 with the Cloudlifter plugged in. So I have the volume here, it's the gain around 50%, as you can see right here, a little bit more than 50%, maybe 60%, but you can really get away around 50%. And I just want you to see, I'm roughly about 2 inches away from the microphone, talking sideways across it. That's how the proper way to talk into the microphone. And it sounds really good. And I'm actually recording right now on GarageBand. This is the audio, so that's where the audio is being recorded on. And that's where it is right now. So I just want to show you right here. You can see I got the cutaway, I got the graph right there, so you can see how it's working. You can see the actual levels itself are really nice and very super clean. So this is with the Cloudlifter at roughly 60%. Let's call it 60%, okay? Now I'm going to disconnect the Cloudlifter, okay? And I'm not going to touch the gain, and you're going to see I'm going to talk the exact same distance away. So let's do that right now. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can hear me. Actually, I'm on talking to on the Focusrite without the Cloudlifter disconnected, as you can see here, and you can hear the difference. And I'm actually even had to turn up a little bit more so I can even hear myself in the background. So you can hear it is barely moving the meter at all, hardly moving at all. So you can see the difference here. I'm talking again the exact same distance, the exact same voice, and I really have to crank this all the way up here to get, no, that's the wrong one. I got to crank this one all the way up there. You can see to get the 80-90% again, just to get the gain. And now I got some huge gain. I'm getting a lot more noise, but you really have to crank it up. So that is the difference. It's huge. You can see the difference there one more time. So I'm going to turn it back down to where it was. Now you can hear, you can barely hear me. I'm going to plug the Cloudlifter back in, and you're going to see the difference right now. Let's do that right now. Okay, so I'm back now. You can hear the huge difference here. You can just see that it's super loud, it's clean, and it just makes a huge difference. It just picks up the modulation, just really cranks it up. You can actually even lower it even more. It's just a huge difference with the Cloudlifter. You do need the 48 volt, the phantom power, but to me, it makes a huge difference. So this is what it sounds like with it, and you heard it without it. I think it's a fantastic deal. I definitely recommend the Cloudlifter, and I definitely recommend the AT2040 microphone, as you can see right here.